Good morning, good afternoon, good night, and anytime you're watching, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. In the next 10 minutes, we will be presenting our team application, Flowery, an ornamental flower identifier. Before we begin, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Ray Ganim. I am the mobile application developer for Flowery.
My name is Nabil Kois, as mobile developer of Flowery.
My name is Ilham Paturobani as Cloud Computing Engineer of Flowery.
My name is Muhammad Rafi Aziz as Cloud Computing Engineer of Flowery App.
My name is Akbar Sudatul Harahap as Machine Learning Engineering of Flowery App.
And my name is Elsa Adelmaselia as Machine Learning Engineer of Flowery App.
The background. First, flower is a part of a plant which is often brightly colored, grow at the end of a stem, and only survives for a short time. Second, ornamental plants have driven an increase in market demand for live plant products. The export value reached a value of 10.77 million US dollar. And the third, people can get aesthetic gratification that ornamental flower increase the beauty of places. Research proves that ornamental flower can reduce stress, which makes mind fresh.
There are some reasons why we built this app. First, there are still many people who find it difficult to take care of their ornamental flowers. Second, there are still many chances that people who saw ornamental flowers and have an interest in it, but do not know the information of the flower they saw. Third, the name of the flower, methods of raising them, and their uses and benefits will educate the user and will help them in caring of their plants. There are several applications that have the pretty same feature with Flowery, such as PlantNet, PlantSnap, PictureDisk, Nature ID, and plant identification. They identify the flower by using the user's camera. Some of them have more features other than image recognition and also give information about the flowers. There are some things different from the apps above compared to our app. Some of them needs a high subscription fee to use. The features will burden the user. Most of them have no Indonesian language available, and some of the apps' user interface are complex and not easy to use.
The first feature of Flowery is that it has the ability to scan flowers by taking a picture. We also included this without the internet. Second feature is that it can give information about the flower that you took the picture of and how to take care of said flower. The information given are simple and easy to understand so that user doesn't feel overwhelmed when reading them. And the third feature is that it has the ability to set reminder on when to water the flower. We add the feature to help users so that he or she won't forget to take care of their flower. We also added the feature to add flower to a favorites list so that the user won't have to look for the flower again.
For the market, we decide to target people from age 15 to 60 years old with high percentage of 19 to 25 years old. We don't have any specific target for the progression and roles. Anyone can join and use our app. But we have specialized the market that this app is for people who have specific attributes for likings, such as have a hobby to tend for ornamental flower and anyone who has interest in ornamental flower.
Here are four reasons why the target needs our solution. The first is purpose-driven, and our goal is to enrich the mind of the people of Indonesia who has an interest in ornamental flower. The second is data-driven, which are the number of requests of ornamental plant in recent year and the dataset of most like flower in Indonesia. The third is government reasoning. The Ministry of Trade said that the ornamental plant have become a favorite of many people in this pandemic era. And fourth is benefited stakeholder, such as the Ministry of Trade, Ministry of Economic Affairs, and ornamental flower seller.
For the roadmap, our app has commercial value that we can give opportunities to ornamental flower seller and can increase the demand of the flower. The technology in our app, like flower recognition feature, can give information about the flowers that user need with less effort. We will tackle the bigger problems in the future too. As the evolution keeps going, The application dataset would increase by adding more variation variation of flowers to its dataset. And for long term, our app can give indirect effect to the growth of ornamental plant enthusiasts, economic growth, and the aesthetics of the city will be better too.
We'll do our pilot test in the Jabodetabek area for 6 months, 4 months for alpha version and 2 months for beta version. There, we'll collect data needed for our app through market testing so that we know the value of our app, what needs to be improved, how the users feel when using our app, and many more. This data will be then compiled into usable data for our application. As we mentioned above, we will approximately need $5,440 for the trial.
Before we finish, we would like to say thank you for coming to this presentation and listening for the last 10 minutes. I hope this presentation will be useful to us as well as the viewers. Again, thank you for listening.